Hi everyone, and welcome back to Lana Decor. If you're new here, I'm Lana, and today I have something extra special for you. We're transforming a tiny farmhouse into a cozy winter wonderland. Whether you're looking for ideas to decorate a small space or just love the farmhouse aesthetic, this video is packed with tips and inspiration you won't want to miss. From warm color palettes to festive accents, we're covering it all. So grab a cup of hot cocoa, get comfy, and let's get started. Today, we're embarking on a journey to transform this small space into a cozy winter wonderland. With a farmhouse twist, we'll bring warmth, charm, and a festive feel to every corner. This transformation is all about creating a home that feels both stylish and inviting during the winter months. To achieve this look, we'll be incorporating pieces from some of the most beloved farmhouse brands, including Magnolia, Hearth and Hand with Magnolia, and Farmhouse Fresh. These brands offer curated designs that balance rustic charm with modern elegance, making them perfect for creating a stylish yet cozy atmosphere. Whether you're decorating a small apartment, a tiny home, or even a single room, this video is here to inspire you. With clever design tips and farmhouse-style elements, you'll learn how to make the most of a small space while embracing the charm of winter. Let's dive in. Now that we've set the stage, let's talk about the color palette. Creating a warm and inviting atmosphere is essential when decorating for winter. A carefully chosen palette can evoke feelings of comfort and coziness, setting the tone for the entire space. For this tiny farmhouse, we'll be focusing on neutral tones like cream, beige, and brown. These colors are staples of farmhouse decor, offering a timeless and serene backdrop. By layering these tones with soft textures, we can create a truly inviting ambience. These warm neutrals will be accented with subtle hints of winter-inspired colors like deep red and emerald green. Together, they create a cozy and festive look, perfect for a farmhouse setting. Now, let's move on to our next step, creating a stunning focal point. In a small space, having a clear focal point is crucial to avoid overwhelming the room. A well-designed focal point not only anchors the space, but also draws the eye and enhances the overall aesthetic. Today, we're making the fireplace the star of the show. Even if you don't have a built-in fireplace, a faux version can work beautifully. It's the perfect spot to add seasonal charm and farmhouse-inspired details. We'll style the mantle with rustic wood signs, galvanized metal accents, and holiday decor to create a cozy winter vibe. The faux fireplace adds warmth to the room while doubling as a display area for your favorite farmhouse treasures. For those looking for accessories, brands like Target and Walmart offer budget-friendly options without sacrificing style. Let's explore how to add depth and texture to complement this focal point. Texture and pattern are the unsung heroes of small space decorating. They add visual interest and depth, making the room feel more dynamic without requiring extra space. We'll be using textured throws, patterned pillows, and cozy rugs. Farmhouse-inspired patterns like plaid, gingham, and floral motifs will help tie everything together while adding layers of charm. For inspiration, I've incorporated pieces from Crate and Barrel and Anthropology. These brands offer high-quality, stylish options that blend seamlessly with the farmhouse aesthetic. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Combining different textures and patterns creates an eclectic and personalized look that feels both lived in and curated. Now, let's bring in the festive spirit with seasonal accents. No winter decorating is complete without festive touches. To bring in the holiday spirit, we'll be adding seasonal accents that enhance the farmhouse charm of the space. Start with winter greenery like pine boughs, wreaths, and candles. Incorporating rustic elements like wooden crates and galvanized buckets will add a farmhouse twist to these traditional decorations. If you're looking for farmhouse-style greenery and decor, Hobby Lobby and Michaels have excellent selections to suit your needs. Their pieces are both affordable and versatile, making them ideal for small space decorating. Finally, add a touch of holiday cheer with ornaments, stockings, and festive details. Burlap, twine, and vintage-style decorations bring warmth and nostalgia, perfectly complementing the cozy farmhouse aesthetic. For our final section, let's discuss practical tips for maximizing space. Decorating a tiny space requires creativity. Using vertical space can make a big difference. Adding rustic wood shelves or wall-mounted decorations allows you to display farmhouse-inspired pieces without taking up valuable floor space. Repurposed ladders can also serve as functional decor, providing both storage and style. They're perfect for hanging throws or holiday lights, adding a touch of rustic charm to the room. To maximize natural light, keep windows clear and use light-colored curtains or wooden shutters. These farmhouse-inspired treatments make the space feel open and airy while maintaining the cozy vibe. Mirrors are another great tool for small spaces. Opt for ones with antique or distressed wooden frames to match the farmhouse aesthetic. Mirrors reflect light and create the illusion of a larger room, making them a perfect addition to your tiny farmhouse. And there you have it, our cozy winter transformation for a tiny farmhouse. Today, we explored everything from creating a warm color palette and styling a charming focal point to adding texture, patterns, and festive accents. I hope this inspired you to bring a touch of farmhouse magic to your space this winter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Lana Decor for more home styling ideas, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite tip or idea from today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy decorating!